Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself first and foremost, you see me? Yeah man, so today we are going to talk about where the description of the video say. And as you see already, Beenie man passed out, drop down, like drop down. And mother funeral. A lot of people say daddy one over behind man enough because but put that aside. We then I jam I think. Yeah, see me? So this is kinda something serious way. I'm gonna share with you first. Yeah, before I go any further, so please comment down below what you feel could have caused this, because me and a doctor. You see me? Yeah, guys.
Hey! Hey!
Yes, so guys, from yesterday till now, I doubt it anybody here from King Beenie man. You see me? So so far, just send in any well wishes down below if you don't want to send in a well wish, or just make me know how you feel about it. All what going, the video people, with the all over my Instagram. Dexta Daps and Shaneil Muir. The dog say a poor him a do. You see me? And you know the money already, you know the money back chunk for your short money no man. You see me? The money lift up be cause you see me? So the dog have Shaneil Muir like nothing. You see me? Shaneil already tell the people them say yo, Tampa, Florida she'll be there. But guess what, the vibes turn up with Dexta Daps. So far, so good, you know, guys, as me. So, we artists, them from our culture, Jamaica, are going good so far, because Shenseea fly out Ghana, Atlanta, I tear down the place differently, you see me? And in that them time, I look good for get some stage show performances, if you understand. Yeah guys, so might as well just call it say COVID-19 over with and road open back, or at least I take it time, you see me? Well, like that me I see, you know, I don't know how it really go. Come and tell me how it really go, you see me? Besides that, this Donna would have to say.
Yeah, Aunty, me nah bother go be we say I go up on the right now. So we say yeah. She said she nah bother go be it, Baba. But the life don't you go be it. And never, I don't even know where me I go by a contact. Say let me see. Oh, I remember when me say me I come over here. I'll know me no go sleep, Blanca. But they are whole time I chat. So, good night, good night, good night. Who that I say me to? So she not, but she say, Auntie, Mina, forever for you to come on. Well, today our Sunday. Tomorrow Monday, the week almost done. We are beg God roll up the rain and give a little dry time. But the house them can work on. I lock off that phone here, I put with that phone here. Put with the phone here, but I don't sit down and what a reason. Phone here about me. On a Sunday, them here people here now no happy, no manners. She said, boy, Auntie Donna get the one little Sunday. And rain and fall, everybody for dry in them bed. And we feel wrap up, and we feel Lego. And see there? I don't answer nobody, God do me frustrated iPhone. Not even call me and take on the life tonight. Want people to have little respect and say, boy, I give the lady a Sunday off now. Make she come chat if she want chat. Then call me, go then call me, come. Yeah, me get dinner. Renee give me dinner. Stew beef. See dinner, we still want to give me just get away. About 10 minutes ago. I left it same place out there and somebody come and me tell them. Say Joseph cook it and they say, well, Auntie Donna rain a fall here. Give the tick go here, give me. You see our next side to me today? What kind of side you see truly? The good side, the bad side, or the ugly side? You have whole heap of side, you're not truly. The round side, the narrow side, the square side. You have to tell me truly. Good night, Reggie, Ari. Rain not stopping until Tuesday. What I need to do is get the notification. Take 2 call. And make you laugh. You can't bother, man. The people them not no conscience. Choose some of the house. Need to give you a break, yeah. Some people need to give me a break, man. Them just make me out. Then this evening, no. Why me I tell you say if me damn if you do, damn if you don't. Therefore I read with my friend and I said to him, say, some people make things look like say, and me cause anybody's sickness. Listen, you know. The woman that called me when I on the line, I never remember. Put on the phone and go out there so go talk to. Must remember if I still want it. Then they come in back. Then I don't remember again. Then now, woman that come and call me and say, oh, if I don't know what it is, say I have a heart problem. Another woman now, you know, I come say, oh, me don't know what it is, say I have heart disease. And me sit down, I mean, I take it serious. And me can, if me ask for the 500,000, me can get it. Lady, me lock my mouth. If I want to know, Auntie Donna never there. Me no say sickness not take people. And people no need help. If me never there, anybody will have heart sickness, they not go dead. Nah, they not go sick. We poor money a burden down my head for. She a call me and a argue with me. Why you not put up the first 100,000? Me say to her, say, call me and give me the first 100,000. Eh? You come like you take your people them pan here, so I don't know who you take some of them take them for. So if somebody call in and say they want 500,000, everybody say find the 500,000 give me. Oh, Baba. Them something that the government will take over. Have foundation or have money put on one side. Alright, hold on. Hello, good night. Hello? Internet go and come. Hello? Hello? Somebody not hear nothing because internet That's a connecting. Them something there. I not answer nobody for here tonight. Look how alien big, look how much people live at Mountain View. And me can't reason with nobody. I'm never afraid. So, if me not get the $500,000, suppose this program here never exists. Suppose this program never exists. One would I get money from? Where all of this sickness wanna blame me for, like me can't blow breath. When I'm not sick now, I not nothing. I want to company program, but no sickness, I not dead. I want to see him one time I kill people over here. Eh? When anything happen over here, you know, I just look into it and then come